Okay, so I've got to the customer's house this morning and they complained that they could smell a bit of a musky smell coming out of one of the rooms. So turns out there's a bit of urine, probably from the previous owner's dog, in one of the rooms. So I thought, perfect opportunity to make a video and show you how I do it. So I've got my UV torch here and I'm going to get the room nice and dark, and this UV torch will reveal where the urine patch is. And that glow there, that's what we're looking for. So this is the first product I'm going to use. I'm going to spray it with Clorox Urine Remover, which is a urine enzyme, which is going to help me extract the urine out of the carpet. So Clorox goes on neat, so I'm going to pour it straight into here and spray that and really douse the urine patch with this, really soak it and give it a good scrub. Okay, so now I soak the stain. Making sure I go a little bit around it too, as the urine will spread from where the visible patch is. Once it gets beneath the fibers, it will spread a bit, and then I scrub it with my Ryobi. So you can see it's already made the glow disappear, which doesn't always happen, but it is a good sign. Just going to give it an extra spray for a bit of peace of mind. And the dwell time for this, I usually wait at least 15 minutes. So for a job like this, the Clorox urine remover is probably enough, but I like to go the extra mile and put some hydrogen peroxide on the stain. So this is a 50% hydrogen peroxide mix, which I'm going to dilute down to 3%. Put in this and spray straight on the stain. So I just spray straight on the stain with the peroxide. Now I give it a scrub in again with my Ryobi. As you can see, it's gone a bit lighter here, which happens quite often with the peroxide. It's just the urine enzymes foaming up. So the stain's probably had about 15 minutes dwell time now. So this tool is called the water claw. It's pretty much just a suction pad. I'm going to put this over the area, and that's going to suck out the urine from the fibers. So this is my Steam Vac Max 1600 PSI. You can use it for carpet cleaning and tile and grout. Just going to put the vacuum on, which will make a bit of noise, and then we'll suck out the urine. So I'll leave that vacuuming on the stains for about, maybe 10 minutes per stain. And in the meantime, I'll mix up for my pump sprayer what I'm going to spray over the rest of the room, which is Sensation in the traffic areas. I'll mix that 1 to 5, and then Superior Fiber, and that's going to be my pre-spray, which I'm just going to mist all over the room. I am going to boost this by adding my 3% peroxide mix, and I'm also going to put in a deodorizer too. So these are the free products for my pre-spray. This is the Superior Fiber, which is my pre-spray. I boost it with peroxide, and also this is a deodorizer. I do this for every urine job, just to make sure if there's any random little mist dribbles that the carpet is going to get rid of urine and smell fresh at the end. Okay, so I've done everything else as normal, and the final stage is I just give it a more thorough rinse over where the stain was. It's about here. Give it a nice rinse, and then I'll do a slow dry test as well. Dry pass. And there we go, that's all I do, and then I just rinse the rest of the room as normal. Okay, all done, all packed up. It's a really good result. There was no smell left behind by the urine. If you just clean the urine as normal without any, extra tricks, the whole carpet is going to stink of urine as you leave because the moisture will reactivate that smell. So if you have, the techniques to do urine removal in your locker, it's going to really impress your customers. They're going to get you back. They're going to tell all their friends. You're at the dog park, you run into people, or dog groups on Facebook, and they know that you're the carpet cleaner who can get the urine out. The phone's going to start ringing, and you charge extra for it because it is time consuming, but it's pretty satisfying work. Once you leave, you're saving the customer having to replace their carpets. It's not always savable, so you just have to be honest with your customer. This today was about 3 patches in a room. They weren't big patches, so I knew we'd at least get a result. And yeah, the customer was very happy. She's going to recommend me to all her friends, and that's exactly what you want.